Hi everyone, welcome to Renau. As you can already tell, I'm going to be doing a balcony makeover today. So yeah, it's been already summer for last few weeks and I was contemplating should I do something with my balcony or not, because you already could tell it's literally a dumping ground for me and it's just way too much hassle to clean it up. But I decided to go with it. My balcony doesn't have the greatest view. It still is not bad place to relax or have a cup of tea or even read a book. So I reluctantly got to cleaning. I have not cleaned since I moved in, which is about a year ago. So it's kind of gross everywhere. Well, this balcony is not too small or not too big either. It's a narrow balcony, about 5 feet in width and about 19 feet in length. So it's pretty long balcony. One of my friends helped me out and we had a bit too much fun. The cleaning wasn't too bad as much as I expected. After 3 hours of cleaning, the floors and windows are finally clean. But as you can see, I still got to do some sorting and organizing. So I got few inspiration from Pinterest and I really liked the Mediterranean design balconies. Also, I never designed anything in Mediterranean style, so I thought balcony might be a good place to experiment with it. They're so colorful and refreshing, so I thought I'd like to try it and put a bit of Renau touch with it. The thing is, summer is only for 2 months where I live, so I don't want to spend a whole lot of money buying new stuff. So I decided to use my thrifting skills for this project and go to my local thrift store. Thrifting is a great way to save money on your home decor while being able to find unique pieces for your project. I'll show you guys what I got once I start the makeover. Back to the whiteboard. So the idea is to create a decorative wall in one side of the balcony where we are putting a bench for sitting. I went with the complementary color theme of blue and orange. It will bring out the summer vibe and the Mediterranean theme that I was going after. First thing first, I need to sort out the sitting issue in my balcony. Since I couldn't find anything in the thrift store, I had to use it what I already had. So you've probably seen this bench in my Japanese tea place videos, and I used it as a table to cut the wood pieces. It is actually the part of Ikea freehand sofa, which I had a long time ago. I had thrown out the sofa, but I kept it the bottom portion thinking that I might be able to use it some other project, but guess what? Turned out to be the perfect size for my balcony. So I got this brand new shower curtain from Thrift Store. I will use it to cover the bench, and it's also going to make it waterproof. The bench is going to be sitting in all season outside, including rain and snow, so it needs to be waterproofed. I cut it to size. Thankfully, it was big enough for the whole bench. Then I flipped the bench upside down so it will be easier for me to staple the fabric to the frame of the bench, and I used the stapler gun to do this part. Did the corner like a hospital fold so it would be easier to tuck in all the excess fabric into the floor. So the top is finally done. It came out pretty well. Turned out better than I expected, especially it is my first time upholstery furniture. I also cut a separate piece from the same shower curtain and covered the bottom portion of the bench. Again, I used a stapler gun to attach the fabric to the bottom portion of the bench, just like I have done with the top. Finally, I'm all done with the bench. Next, I have these 3 small mirrors which I have had it for years now, and I believe they were salvaged. I could not remember how I got them. I knew I will use it in the future projects, so I finally had this opportunity to use it here. They are perfect for this project. It has this traditional charm to it, and the design, the vibe that goes with the whole Mediterranean style that I was going for. The only issue is that they were all pink, so I used acrylic paint to paint them blue to go with the bench color. Do you guys do that a lot when you find something you like and you think you're gonna use it, but you're not sure what project to use it for, and you end up having it for years? That's pretty much me all the time. These mirrors turned out great. I painted it enough to show a bit of pink undertone, so it will give out an aging effect that will go well with my other decors. Next, I got this gorgeous orange candle holder from the thrift store as well. They were originally from HomeSense, but I got them for a bargain price. It's the perfect decor for this Mediterranean vibe. I was so excited to get them, and I can't wait to show you guys how it looks on the wall. Finally, everything started to come all together. We started by moving the seatings, and laying out the floor mat. This mat I got off Kjijji. It's a site for second-hand items. It's a good thing it's a waterproof, so I can leave it on the balcony during the winter as well. Anyway, next is the table. I picked it up from the side of the road. I really liked it, the traditional characteristics, and more importantly, it looked really worn out, which is perfect for this project. I love worn out rustic furniture. It really brings out homeliness into a space. I just sand it down and put a protective layer on it. Oh, I forgot to mention that rattan chair I found on the side of the road. It wasn't broken or anything. I gave it a good wash with my balcony. It created a nice extra seating. If you follow me on Instagram, you might know how much I love indoor plants. But sadly, I barely have any outdoor plants. So I used whatever I have. No balcony is completed without wind chimes. I got this cute dragonfly one from Thrift Store. I wanted to add sound to this space as well to enhance the experience. Home decor is not always about visual specs of a space. We also need to consider texture and sound within the space. Finally, I added outdoor string lights. Although I wish I had a longer ones, but yeah, I need to get one later. I'm adding some final touches to make the balcony more cozy. I do have to update and add few more things in the future, but for now I am enjoying the time staying outdoor, relaxing, catching up with my reading. It has now become my favorite place to work as well. Also, I'm loving the sound of the wind chimes. I am really happy how the balcony turned out. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, subscribe to watch more videos like this on my channel. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I will try my best to answer them. Stay safe and goodbye. See you in the next video.